welcome to Greentopia. My name is Maya and I'm a plant addict. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to make a homemade fertilizer from bananas!
Bananas!
Did you know that bananas contain a couple of minerals that are essential to help your plants grow? That's amazing, right? For example, bananas are really rich in potassium, which helps plants in their overall plant health. And apart from potassium, they also contain calcium, manganese, magnesium, sodium and sulfur, which are all very beneficial minerals for the growth of your plants. So stick in this video with me and I'm just gonna show you very easy way how to make your own fertilizer, and in no time you'll just be an expert and your plants are going to be healthy and happy as never before. It's recommended that you leave the banana peels in the water in your jar from 3 days up to a week. Another option is to simply dry your banana peels out in the sun or in the oven and put them directly in the soil. That was easy, right? I hope you enjoyed my tip of today and that you're gonna be making your own fertilizer in no time. If you want to hear more tips and tricks, or if you just want to follow my journey from 10 to 100 plants, just subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. See you!